and welcome back to Sanela Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapie Studios, and guys sizakhuluma ngestory i-e.tv scandal. Yo guys, indaba kalihle. Yesterday I thought maybe we'll see something, but ke kwasengazuthi namhlanje we might see ukuthi how will this story unfold. Today ke guys, intombazanyana ke le ekudala ifonela ke ulibone ifikile ke laphana ke e-levels. Mayifika intombazanyana ngampela ikhulelwe and uNhloso uyayibuka bathi ke nathi intombazanyana izofuna ulibone ikhulele ingane kalibone. Iyo ingqondo yakhe avele acabanga ulihle wakhe ukuthi inkosi yami kazi kwenzekalani ngolihle lapha khona. Bacanga ufola amaphoyisa, bacabanga ukwenza ini because uBhotsozo vele shem ubasizile abazali ke bakalihle ukuthi hayibo i-situation kanje. Ngapha on the other side uHloki bambuza ukuthi where is your uncle, uthi umalume uthe uye holiday. So nje guys, today it's the day we have to watch and see ukuthi ke le storyline sizo unfold kanjani. It's just a lesson guys ukuthi yo abantwana bethu they go through a lot ngalamanga alamadoda ke asile uma simbiza ngokuthi ulihle lami but guys bese ngathi sekusengokunye lapha na kulihle cause uyafika uyabona hayibo iroom lilodwa le ndoda isizolala phansi mina ngilala embedeni ikhuluma ngo-24 hours ngampela kuzokwenzela. I just hope guys ukuthi ke ulibona akazoyirape le yangane because kuyabona sengazi ukuthi cha yona ayimisele ukulala nayo. Bitshela ukuthi nje it's a trip but angazi ukuthi idonywe yini ukuthi ngahamba yohlangana nendoda engayazi. Ngapha ifoni yakhe uyishiye ekhaya, ifoni endala unefoni entsha ulihle guys abakwazi ukumthola abazali bakhe. So asazi ngampela but we just want to see ukuthi kuzokwenzekalani. Abanye they are like yo nkosi yami sengathi ulibone angalala na. Guys no, angifisi kwenzele, ngifisa ngazi ukuthi nje angafunda isifundo ukuthi yazini I will never ever trust a man engingayazi, especially an old man like my father. So ifikile intombazanyana bakithi ikhulelwe izofuna ulibone and asazi ukuthi ke kuzokwenzelani namhlanje. But guys, do watch Scandal and see how will the story unfold. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share with us ukuthi ufuna ubona kwenzekalani wena la, because yo we've been waiting for this day. Bye.